Let's quickly move on. Two bigwigs are going to disclose their earnings today. You have LTI Mindtree, again now a Nifty company, around 0.5% weightage on the Nifty. But the other one is going to be HDFC Bank, which is going to disclose its Q1 numbers. Of course, standalone numbers flashing on your screens. That's the expectation. Around 24,000 crore is where the NII is expected to be at, around a 23% growth on a year-on-year basis. You're expecting operating profit though slightly lower, 18,500. That's just about a 20% growth, absolutely flat on a sequential basis, but a 20% growth on a year-on-year basis nonetheless. Of course, the higher OPEX, 1,500 odd branches that HDFC Bank is going to be adding, the people along with that, and of course with all that's happening on the merger, that can be understandable. Let's quickly move on to what the provisions are expected to be at. Around the 4,000 crore mark is where the provisions number is expected to be at, and therefore PAT is expected to be around 8.5% lower sequentially, around 20% growth on a year-on-year basis. 11,000 crore is where we're expecting that number to come in at. Where the NIM is concerned, that's going to be a critical point of focus. The liability franchise seems to be chugging in very well. You're expecting NIMs of around 4.1% with a slightly lower bias, probably 4.05% is where that NIM number can be expected. In terms of where the NPAs are concerned, you're seeing absolutely flat NPAs across the board is the expectation. The agri book will be in focus where asset quality is concerned. Let's quickly move on to what numbers have already been disclosed. The combined bank has grown at 13% on the asset side, which is the loan side, and just about 16% on the liability side, the deposit side. But standalone, it's not been so bad. It's been a 16% growth on the advances side, around a 20% growth on the deposit side, 19 plus. But broadly, it's been a solid deposit performance from HDFC Bank. Of course, the larger numbers expected today.